Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset FXCM chart to default. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your charts and workspace back to the original layout, which is helpful if things feel cluttered or settings got changed and you want a clean slate. Start by opening the FXCM trading station in your browser or desktop app and navigate to any chart. The specific market you're viewing doesn't matter for this process. You can be on any symbols chart. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust, since the reset will apply to the layout you're currently using. If you have custom indicators or drawings you want to remember later, consider taking a quick screenshot or jotting them down before proceeding, because restoring the layout will clear those customizations. Now look to the top right corner of the platform. You'll see your account profile area, typically shown as your initials, or a small profile icon. This is where platform-level settings live, including the option to restore your layout. If your window is very narrow, you may need to maximize it to see the icon clearly. Click the profile icon to open the profile menu. A small drop-down will appear with several options related to your workspace and settings. This is the menu we need to access to perform the reset. In that menu, select Restore Layout. Choosing this tells the platform to revert your workspace to its default state. In practical terms, that means your chart windows, panel placements, and chart appearance will return to the platform's original arrangement. Any custom indicators you've added to the chart, drawing tools like lines or shapes, and window positions you've moved around will be removed or reset. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to proceed. Click. Restore Layout again to confirm. The second click prevents accidental changes and ensures you really want to reset. After you confirm, give the platform a moment to refresh. Your charts should reload with the default theme and settings. Panels like the watch list and order area will snap back to their standard locations, and your chart will be free of added indicators and drawings. That's all there is to it. If you don't immediately see the changes, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. Restoring the layout is safe for your account and positions. It only affects the way the platform looks and how the windows are arranged. Whenever your workspace gets messy or you just want a fresh start, use Restore Layout to get back to a clean, consistent default view.